You know, another game I've been feeling like playing lately is Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Vegas 2, an old cover shooter from the 2000s. It's a pretty good game. I've played a lot of it, and I played solo, like with Sans recording, all the way to this level in the Penthouse. It's one of my favorite levels, and I thought that'd be fun to work through it and make a few videos. So, yeah, that's precisely what we're gonna do.
Frag and clear. Frag and clear. Engaging tango.
No. They took too long.
On me. Confirmed.
We're with you.
Guess it's not. Stack up. Stacking up.
Oh no. Pretty good.
Patch him up.
On your feet.
I'm cutting power to the elevators. That should slow down the tangos.
I heard something. Find out what's happening. On my way.
Go, go, go.
Will do.
I don't know, there's something about this engine. This is Unreal. This is actually Unreal Engine. Far Cry's engine was the Dunia engine, and somebody corrected me, and thank you for that. But this is actually Unreal 3? Oh, come on. Let's try that again. More explosives this time.
Clear.
Yeah, but shoot them!
Requesting backup. I heard something.
Threat neutralized.
Those are my boys. Oh, we could have gone this
Over
way.
here.
In formation.
Cover you.
We good? Okay, I think we're good. Where does this go? Oh. Helicopters? Is that ours? Oh no, boys, don't block me in. Man.
Bravo team, this is Echo team. We're on the rooftop and moving inside. Watch your fire.
Roger that. We'll definitely need your assist downstairs.
You'll have it.
Everybody's so belligerent with one another. So I'm packing a FAMAS and an AKS-74U. And the reason why I'm using the AK as my secondary is because I don't have any good submachine guns unlocked. And I want to run a submachine gun. I was running a shotgun for a little bit. But the shotguns in this game are not good. And I'm not a sniper, so we're going to go with tactical in this case, and I think AKs are really cool, so that's what we're doing. I'm also dressed like a communist guerrilla. Is that I like the SWAT tactical uniforms, but I've seen them too much. And I'm ready to move on to something else, so guerrillas it is. Now where the hell am I supposed to go? Oh, it's this way. Alright, let's do this. I remember back in the day I got a copyright strike for this. I don't know what song this is, but we're gonna roll with it.
Prepare for entry.
Damn it. Ah!
We're being franked.
10 more men!
What? Ah, hell with this thing. Oh, what killed me? Started out so good, too. Whoa. Oh, it didn't refill my grenades. I have the same number of grenades from our last assault.
Go, go.
I'm gonna go reload. I'm gonna send them in and go get ammo. Alright fellas, I'm coming back. And I'm not screwing around. It's time to get the old FAMAS out.
Patch him up.
Oh no. Did it land next to me? Oh Jesus, come on. Alright, I'm going in with the FAMAS out of the gate this time. You get a grenade, and you get a grenade. Oh, I guess it was too early.
Hustle.
Wait, is there... Who's doing that? Whoa. We need to get my guys in there. What's this punk music that's playing? I think we got it this time.
Back on me. Double time.
Over there. Roger.
Alright, looks good. Where are my dudes?
Hold position. Get
Oh,
over
they're
here.
there. Oh, they were there.
Sound suppressor on.
What the hell?
Bishop. Mango, assist Mango. Mango, cleared out.
Still heavy.
We're moving upstairs.
Roger that.
We got this. Looks clear.
Stack up.
Is there anything behind that door? No, it's a brand new area. What was that?
Prepare for entry.
Stacking up.
Thought I heard something.
In position.
Frag and clear.
Frag and clear.
Look out! Trouble! Quiet!
Well, that's it? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh! Oh no, it minimized. Damn it, it just does that sometimes. It actually just does that. Alright, let's grab the UGG. I've been looking for this. It has an ACOG on it? Why? But yeah, sometimes like my mouse gets trapped outside of the window and it will minimize the game. I don't know what it'll look like in OBS. But we will see. This is an old janky game. Oh, you know what? I think I was interrupted, rudely interrupted when I was talking about the game engine. I'm pretty sure it's Unreal 3. Maybe with some, I think it's Unreal 3 with a Havoc engine or something like that. It's some modification of it.
Bishop. Bit of an oops coming your way. Sorry.
Repeat that.
In position.
Stack up.
Stacking up.
We go night vision. Night vision goggles.
Breach and clear.
Breach and clear.
Placing charge. We'll have the lights back up momentarily. The wiring in these newer buildings is a bit...
Radio silence.
Prepare for entry.
Stacking up. In position.
Oh.
Frag and clear.
Frag and clear.
Picking picking up plenty of com.
Hostile down.
What the hell?
Is this like just so? Oh, it was a grenade. I thought it was smoke. People saying F this, F that. Hey, we gotta. Will you guys move? Take this ACOG off. This is not cool. I mean, it's cool, but it's not Egee cool. We gotta get that off, put a reflex on there. And the pistol needs a laser sight. There we go. Now we're ready to rock and roll. Now the UG is gonna look cool. Yeah, see, this is what I wanted. But I couldn't get it, so I said, whoa, whoa! Oh, did you see that? Oh, we're all dead. I don't know what the hell's going on. Where did that grenade go? I cannot believe I missed every single one of those shots.
Hostile pacified.
I think we got company.
I'm being a little too hasty. I think... Oh, come on.
Placing charge.
Reloading. Get going, come. Tango down. In position. Reloading.
Unable to comply.
Contact. Tango. Hostile eliminated. Reloading.
See to him.
He needs attention now. On your feet.
I'm up.
Man, that was a hairy one. I think we're good, though.
Go silent.
We're going silent.
Roger that.
Looks kind of silly with such like a small barrel. Now it has this giant silencer on it. Okay, we're definitely good. We go this way. No, we go this way. Just kidding. We do actually go that way. Oh, we repel? Yeah, let's do it.
I can't do that.
You can't? Oh, come on. You guys are stealing my kills.
What the hell?
Tango.
Oh, crap. I don't think we can kill him from up here. Ah!
I'm up top.
It's a pretty big room, actually. Ah, those guys are so annoying. It's like your typical shielded enemy.
Double time.
Advancing.
Reloading.
They got him.
Position.
Regroup. Roger that.
More repelling, really? Oh. In the next room, yeah.
Go, go. Shit.
Oh, come on. Stop minimizing, game. You gotta stop that.
Stack up. Stacking up. Breach and clear. Placing charge.
Oh, ammo. We basically just need ammo. So that's all we're gonna get. And now it's more repelling.
Use the rope. Inbound.
Compelling repelling. These guys just vandalize. Oh, it's Stars Cabaret.
All's quiet over here. It looks... Wait. There's...
Echo team, check in. Repeat. Echo team, check in.
Bishop,
What the fuck was that?
got out in time. Good. The wall shook in here. It must have been an explosion.
Of course it was an explosion. We've lost contact with Echo team. Can you locate them?
No, all my feeds went dead. This room's useless now. I'm hit.
Some long-range engagements for you. I don't know why my boys didn't follow me. Whoa! Oh, I knew that was risky. There you go. Wow, somebody's just hosing. That guy right there, just like blind fire with his... whatever the hell that was. Oh, dude, no. Jeez.
Go. Over there. Anyone keeping score? I'll tackle that.
You know, sometimes this game gets a sound bug where... oh, it's happening right now. Oh, it stopped. Okay. It just keeps playing the same sound over and over again. Usually it's a gunshot. It's making the cover shooting sound, like the cover taking cover sound.
Prepare for entry.
Should we stick with the assault rifles or...
Open and clear.
oh, I was expecting more.
Get over here. Regrouping.
Forget this.